wondering all about these videos that I'm producing, and you're wondering, where do I exercise these if I shouldn't be going to the gym? So this is what the subject of this video is, and stay tuned. Hey, I'm Dr. Shaki from Irvine Spine and Wellness Center, your Irvine Posture Chiropractic Clinic. I really am not a big fan of people going to the gym. Not that I don't like gyms, it's just that people think they go to the gym and they get all wild about doing exercises when they really are not in the place they need to be. Going to the gym is for people who are moving in a functional manner, not dysfunctional manner. Just because you're moving does not mean you're moving correctly. And then if you're where you're functionally performing, now you go to the gym to condition yourself to the next level. If you're dysfunctional like this all day and you go to the gym to start lifting, you're only exposing yourself to injuries. So one of the things for people, most people, myself included, is use every chore, everything we do during the day and throughout our lives, consider that as an opportunity to really use what you have learned in action. So at our office, because of COVID, we clean all the time. So when we're cleaning all the time, every time I wipe the table, and yes, I do wipe my own table, that's my opportunity to do it correctly. I make sure that I'm not doing this. I'm actually keeping it like this. This is my opportunity to keep my upper back muscles functional, conditioned, because they have to hold my shoulder blade from rolling forward. And I'm keeping my lower back neutral. I'm hip hinging back and bending my knees, and I'm moving around. This is an opportunity to hold every part of my body in the right place at a functional level and perform a task. Very simple thing you can all do. Every single movement is an opportunity to make it functional or dysfunctional. So if you understand what functional is, you just practice it. That's how you condition yourself. Remember, no baby goes to the gym, grabs a weight or a band to condition themselves to up their game of performance from infancy to walking. We're already programmed to be walking and doing movement a certain way. If you don't do it that way, the wrong way becomes your way. And the whole purpose of these videos is to show you, to educate you, to make you understand what functional movement is. To learn more about it, make sure you visit my website in the description box. The information is there, and educate yourself about your own body. Learn about your body as much as you know about the functionality of your phone that more likely you're watching this on. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.